Hey, it's Similarly here, and in this video I'm going to go over two candlestick patterns, the hammer and the shooting star. Now, they're actually the same pattern, but when the candlestick appears at the bottom of a downtrend, it's called a hammer, and when it appears at the top of an uptrend, it's called a shooting star. Making money as a day trader is not too difficult, but making money consistently, that's the difficulty. And that's why it's important to be able to identify these telltale signs on your charts. They can inform you of how to proceed with your trading, when to enter into a trade, when to exit a trade. That's where the profit lies. Being able to identify a hammer at the bottom of a downtrend or at the top of an uptrend is critical to making consistent profit as a day trader.
I will show you how to distinguish between a hammer and a shooting star, how to set them up on TradingView, and how to trade with the two patterns for maximum profit.
So without further ado, let's get right into it. A hammer is a type of bullish reversal candlestick pattern made up of just one candle. It's bullish because it indicates the start of an uptrend. And it's a reversal pattern because it indicates a change in the direction of trend. The color of the body can be either red or green, where a green body shows a stronger bull market than a red body. The candle looks like a hammer, since it has a long lower wick and a short body at the top of the candlestick with little or no upper wick. It is usually found at the bottom of a downward trend. It shows that even though there was earlier selling pressure, ultimately a strong buying pressure drove the price back up. Now, a shooting star is identical to a hammer, and the only difference is its location. Where a hammer is located at the bottom of a downtrend, a shooting star is located at the top of an uptrend. The shapes look the same, but their purpose are completely different. The purpose of a hammer is to alert us to the fact that trend is changing and that price action will be moving to the upside. The purpose of a shooting star is to alert us that trend is changing as well, but this time to the downside. So I'm on TradingView and I'm going to add the hammer candlestick pattern using the indicator button. We'll type in hammer and it comes up immediately, hammer bullish. So this is the one we want. We'll click on this. We'll also type in the shooting star. We do that and that comes up right here. We'll click on that as well. So that gives us our indicators. As soon as we do this, what happens is our charts immediately highlights the hammer candlestick pattern and the shooting star candlestick pattern. The hammer pattern clearly occurs at the bottom of this downtrend. And over the course of the next few candlesticks, price action trends upwards. The converse is the case with the shooting star, which appears at the top of an uptrend.
The presence of a shooting star indicates a reversal. So after an uptrend, the next thing is for there to be a downtrend. If at this point you're in a trade, the presence of a shooting star should begin to inform you that it might be time to get out of that trade. Now, I do want to emphasize that the presence of a hammer will be more effective at a support or trend level. Remember, an area of support already has the likelihood that price could bounce off it, and so the appearance of a hammer would simply serve to reinforce this fact. Looking on this chart, first we have a downtrending market, and we're waiting for a sign that the trend of the market will reverse. We have our trend line drawn on the daily time frame, and so we're waiting for an opportunity where price action trends all the way down to the trend line, and then we want to see a confirmation with our hammer candlestick. Once we see this setup where we have at least two confirmations of a reversal in trend, the trend line acting as a line of support and the hammer showing a point of reversal, then we could go ahead to enter into a trade. Because we're looking at this on a daily time frame, you would then need to go to a lower time frame and use an indicator like your moving averages to better time your entries. And here we have our long awaited move to the upside, which gives us a 15.19% increase in price over the next 3 days. On this chart, however, we see that there is no trend reversal in spite of the appearance of a hammer, since the hammer does not occur at any significant support or trend level.
Well, that's all, folks. I hope you found some merit in this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button. Comment below, because your comments do help me figure out what kind of content you would like to see more of. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel. But most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I will catch you in the next video.